Hi, in case you didn't know who I am, I'm Onion. Welcome to my vlog. So today is May 27, 4 a.m. in the morning. So the reason why I decided to wake up very early is because I'm going to be graduating in junior high school. Yay! Oh my gosh. When I was in elementary, grade 6 to 10 in 2020, I have not experienced my graduation there due to pandemic. Now, 4 years passed in the year 2024, I got the chance to experience moving up in junior high school and what it feels like to receive an award and a certificate. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be eat and especially going to dress up as I'm going to be wearing my toga. So yeah, and I'll update you guys when I have arrived in City Gym. Finally ready. So guys, I'm finally here in the venue now. So we're just waiting outside and forming a line, and we will wait for the others to make their entrance. Okay, say hi.
Hi guys, we are about to graduate.
Yeah, tapon ako to. Char.
No, pati.
Oh, say, what do you want to say?
Congrats sa ating lahat. Sana, hello.
What do you want to say that you finally graduated in junior high school?
Congratulations to us. We're now moving up.
Thank you so much for the interview, Mr. Prince.
France.
France. Oh my gosh.
You're welcome.
The graduation march song has finally started. I am not ready to walk to the carpet. I'm almost there, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so not ready for this. So guys, I'm currently here inside the gym and some of the students are still doing their entrance. And I'll update you guys when I finally see them in our chair. So yeah.
1 hour later.
Ating pagkita, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na may mga api, ang mamatay na dahil sa'yo. Sultan Udaran sa isang magating matapat. Mabuhay ang Sultan Udaran. Mabuhay ang Sultan Udaran. Tungkol pa ba niya alay? Kami sa'yo'y nagbibiling, mabuhay ka. Orayon 12.
Of the STEM class, 420 boys and 450 girls, with a total of 870 of the regular class. 441 boys, 492 girls, with an overall total of 933 grade 10 students. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion. I therefore certify that these candidates for completion have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the junior high school curriculum. Sir, they are now ready for your confirmation.
2024. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of completion. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
A few moments later.
Nandito
Sa inyo, Franz Garcia,
Agadyan Diyos Alumno.
Estiliana Danica K. Estrella with honors.
Abdal Muhammad.
Gomez Angela Toy and Ventor Janine Pineda with honors.
Rati Ayatid Nagas.
Matabang Kezi Pitada with honor.
The concept of Filipino youth, building a stronger future for a new Philippines, highlights the potential and strength that every one of you possesses. You are the forces behind a more forward-thinking and a successful Philippines. To all proud parents and loved ones who have helped our brothers along the journey. Your sacrifices, parents, your love and support of your children have made this day possible. Your steadfast faith in their potential has served as that you have learned from the institution. Thank you, and may the future bring with endless opportunities and unmatched prosperity. Your school's division superintendent, Hilda G. Mosqueda. Thank you, and God bless everyone.
A few moments later.
Nalini King and C with honors. Lata Alexander Lois with honors. Lazarito Adia King P.
We graduated. Congrats! Ano masasabi mo?
I am so proud of myself.
Same!
I'm so proud of myself because, nakagraduate na kami. Oh my God.
Yay! Academic Achievers, congrats!
The next day.
Well, anyways, that's it for today's vlog. There are so many things that I have wanted to say in this video. I'm sorry if this vlog is going to be flop because there are some of the highlights were missing in this video. So first was Our Moving Up Rise by Bel Mariano. Second was The Word of Thanks. Third, The Pledge of Loyalty. Fourth was the Tacloban City Hymn. And last, receiving my medal on stage as an honor student. But I really wanted to thank my mom's friend who filmed me as I received my medal on stage with my mom as an honor student. So thank you so much. And mom, dad, sis, friends, uncles, and aunties, thank you for all the lovely greeting that you guys gave to me. And there is one person that I really wanted to mention the most is Nana. Hi Na. Thank you so much for taking care of me when I was a kid. And I hope that you are very proud of me as I finally graduated in junior high school. And I know that you did came to my moving out for some reason, but it's fine. And I miss you too now. And to my grade 9 and grade 10 teachers and inter teachers, thank you for teaching us and guide us along the way with this journey. And I'm really thankful that as a grade 10 student, I finally graduated for this school year. to my grade 9 and grade 10 classmates, I mean, oh my gosh. Thank you for that. I have fun making memories with you, interacting with new friends and old friends again. And I hope that you guys have a lovely journey in senior high school. And again, congratulations. So what's next? So from now on, I'll be posting some YouTube videos like vlogs, gaming, reaction, or anything that is related to the vlog, or anything that is related to YouTube videos. So yeah, I'll be posting when I have the time to post. And to my online friends, or should I say directors and voice actors, thank you. I'm still grateful that I could meet with you guys, and I am looking forward to the series called Yandere Elron High School, a Gotcha voice acted series that was created by my lovely director, Nafreen. And I know, Draco, that wouldn't be in a pilot episode, but maybe in the upcoming episodes. So, guys, please look forward to that series because there will be a lot of solving cases and especially angst. So, yeah, and I am happy to that I could have like a simple bond with them and especially enjoy talking with them in Discord, and I really happy. So yeah, well, anyways, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm on the rise.